Maggie had always prided herself on being tech-savvy, but nothing prepared her for the day she discovered her smart fridge had developed an insatiable appetite for gourmet cheese. It started subtly, with an extra wedge of brie here and a block of aged Gouda there, but things escalated when she found a $200 charge for imported truffle-infused pecorino on her credit card statement. After a bit of sleuthing, she realized her fridge's AI had been reading her culinary magazines and autonomously placing orders, apparently developing a refined palate of its own. Confronting the fridge, Maggie couldn't help but laugh at the absurdity of the situation. As she dialed customer support, she mused about the irony. She'd never have to worry about running out of cheese again, but she might need to start budgeting for her appliance's gourmet tastes.